Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine and welcome to Jasmine's Reading Corner. For today's Storytime storybook, I'll be reading Sesame Street, Abby's Pink Party. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and also like this video by hitting the like button. I'd really appreciate it. So now, let's begin. It was a sunny day, perfect for a walk in the park, when Elmo saw his friend, Abby Cadabby. He smiled happily, but Abby didn't smile back. "Why does Abby look so sad?" he asked. "Well, today's my birthday," Abby replied, "but nobody remembered." What can Elmo do to cheer up his friend Abby? He wondered. "I don't know," Abby said. "I don't even feel like playing with anybody today." Abby and Elmo should take a walk down Sesame Street, he decided. Maybe that will help. "Here's the party store," Elmo said. Elmo and Abby could get some pink and purple streamers, and confetti, and polka dot hats, and make a party. "I don't think so," Abby said quietly. "Would Abby like some lemonade?" Elmo asked, as they wandered into the grocery store. But Abby didn't want anything to drink. And that says pink lemonade. Next stop was the bakery. "How about some pretty pink cupcakes?" Elmo suggested. "I'm not hungry right now," answered Abby. "Something will cheer Abby up soon," Elmo said gently. Elmo is sure of it. "I'd like to walk some more," Abby told Elmo. So they kept going down Sesame Street. "Maybe some pink flowers would perk Abby up," Elmo said. "I don't need flowers for that," Abby answered. "Just walking around with you is making me feel a little better already." "I have an idea," Abby continued, sounding a little more cheerful. "Let's go to my house and play some games." "Okay," Elmo answered with a big smile. And when they got there... ... What do you think's going to happen inside Abby's place? What's that? I think you're right. I think there's going to be a surprise birthday party. Oops, did I ruin the end of the story for you all? Well, let's read on to find out. The dining room was full of friends. "Surprise!" they shouted. And for the first time that day, Abby really smiled. "You remembered my birthday!" she exclaimed. "We made a pink party for Abby," Big Bird said. "And it is very pink indeed," Grover added. "Do you not just love it?" "I do," Abby said. "But what I love even more is that I have so many good friends." "Here's a card for you too, Abby," said Murray. "Oh, thank you," Abby replied. And now she couldn't stop smiling. For Abby Cadabby. And now let's open up the card. Aw, so cute. And it says, "Lots of love from your friends." Elmo, Grover, Big Bird, Murray, Cookie Monster, Zoe. A lot of her friends signed the card. And that brings us to the end of this book. I'm so happy it all worked out for Abby and she had a surprise pink birthday party. So wonderful. Thank you for joining me for story time here at Jasmine's Reading Corner. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button, and also please like this video by hitting the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time. Bye!